Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Sorkar jilla kala rai ban Siang Rong Biang ya borok Surok bakong san hapo ka Nongbah Shillong. Ya kini la pentep do sembut menteri Nongbah ka jilla ubah kemi ya katnat pen raisor ubah sengap halang dhar. Ya kini ka rai ka Sorkar kala shim. Hadian bakala rai ru ban Nashu ya ki Surok Smart Road hapo ka Smart City Project. Hadian bala shim bakam poi shunu.
We are in the process of improving everything. Don't worry, it will fall into place everything. Don't worry. Be patient with us. That is the reason problem with the smart road. I already informed before. And the pothole to PWD will take care of it. Now from PWD department, not from smart city. Now they have prepared an estimate to resurface almost all the important roads within the city. We'll get a good road. No, that is the smart city phase 2. Abandoned already. So why we abandoned, there is some complicated phases, so the project cannot go ahead. And in place of that, we are trying to replace from the state government a fresh resurfacing road, almost 14 or 50 kilometers within the city properly.